Computer. Okay. Everyone clear? Everyone can see my slide? Before I start, I want to check. Hello? Everyone can see my slide?
Yes, madam. We can
Yes,
see.
madam.
Yes, madam.
Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we start our class today. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. So welcome back to a new semester for all of you as a part 7 student, right? So now we actually back to physical class for 40% physical and 60% online. There is a requirement. So I would like to inform you it's supposed to be physical for the first 6 weeks. I plan to have a physical, but it depends on my availability. If I have work outside, then I have to make it a replacement class. So our replacement class will be online. Okay. Because I'm not sure you can come on Friday, then we will make a physical. I want to ask now before I start the class, I mean the introduction about our course. So I want to know everyone, is it prefer physical or online replacement? Oh, cannot. Sorry. If I make it physical, you have to come in a slot. You know what I mean? In like on Friday, because on Monday class you have a lot of public holiday. Let me show you. Yeah.
Online.
Online. Okay. Sure. Everyone agree with online? The rest your hand. Please raise your hand.
Physical, madam.
I will see the majority. So please raise your hand until I can see everyone's agree or not. Okay, let me check. How can I check? Oh, okay. All right. So, let me check. We have 51 students now. Seems like half. Seems like half. Okay. If like that, maybe, okay. Maybe we can do hybrid. Because if online, all of student will be full, right? If physical, if I want to make it all of you in one time, because if not on Friday, you have to allocate your Monday time to Friday. I'm not sure because is it possible or not, because you have FYP meeting, right? Am I right? On Friday. Please confirm with me because I want to plan for your replacement class. Let me check your I want to share this one. Okay, can you see my lesson plan now? Our lesson plan?
Yes.
Okay. If you look at here, this one only for the class of Monday. Okay, just raise your hand. Yes, what? Yes, oh, okay. Okay, most of you want the online, is it? Okay, wait a moment. Okay, if you look at here, week 1 already public holiday. Week 3, you have Deepavali, public holiday also on Monday. And then week 9, you have public holiday on Monday as well. Week 11, also you have public holiday on Monday. Can you imagine how many times you will have a replacement class? So All right. So a lot, right? Class on Monday. So what I can do is I can make it hybrid. Okay, those who want to come physical, you can come to the class. And then we will also open for online. Is it okay like that? So we have both. Is it okay?
Okay.
Everyone agree? So if everyone agree, the hybrid replacement class will be every Friday 8 to 10 a.m. at this time. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, right? Because and then sometimes it will have other replacement class. It's not because of the public holiday, but maybe because of I have outstation. Okay, so I just want to let you know that every hour replacement class, I will combine everyone to join during this period. I mean every Friday 8 to 10. So if you have any appointment with the lecturer or your advisor or your supervisor, so let them know that you will be free after 10 on Friday. Okay? Okay. So my slot will be 8 to 10 on Friday. Okay, class?
Okay.
All right. So don't ask me again when is the replacement class. Replacement class will be on for that week. Okay, for that week topic. So we'll be on Friday at 8 until 10 a.m. Any questions? Okay. So that's all about the replacement class. Any questions before I start the introduction? Okay, clear? All right. So I would like to, okay, we start our introduction. Okay, so I would like to brief you for today about the introduction on our course. Okay, so of course I will introduce about myself later on, and then I will talk about the rules, our rules, class rules, and then about the course plan, online and physical the same. Okay, 40 weeks planning, and then the course and program outcome. Everyone can see the slide, right? Pointer, where's the pointer? Okay, and then the course program outcome for this course overall and specific, and also the course evaluation, the assessment that you have to complete in order to get a grade for this course. Okay. All right, so let's begin to my class. Okay, so who is Dr. Lina? Okay, so this is me, Dr. Lina. You just call me. So now you can see me in overall picture. So can you see my slide now?
Yes.
So where I'm from? Where I'm
Johor.
Yes, Johor. So I'm a Johorian. Okay, my hometown in Johor. My full name, you see Mazlina Zaira Muhammad. Okay, don't confuse with other lecturer. There is two Mazlina in our School of Engineering. One of the lecturer name is Mazlina Muhammad as well. But my one is Mazlina Zaira Muhammad double M. Okay. So if you look at my background, I also alumni UITM, background civil engineering, and I took MBA after that, business administration. And then I pursue my PhD at AIT, Asian Institute of Technology in Thailand. So all my study, I got a scholarship. Okay, JPA, Young Lecturer Scheme for my PhD, and also I got attachment in Granada during my PhD in Spain under scholarship Erasmus, which is the European scholarship. Okay, Erasmus mobility for 5 months. Then after that I took my officer competency certificate under state government scholarship as well. So if not, you have to pay. This is the SAQ is about 6,000. For this one, I got the scholarship to attend the safety courses, and there are other certificate as well. So the sponsored around almost 20,000. So this one I went to the course 3 months, coursework, and 3 months I attached with Johor Port. Right, that's why you see my working experience. I've been to Johor Port previously in 2018 for 3 months actually under safety department. Why I took safety and health officer certificate? Because my research, okay, my PhD is on construction safety management. That's why I took the CBPM, Construction Business and Project Management. Okay, so brief about my working experience. I did my LI, same like you, the industrial training during your bachelor, right? So this one I did at Syarikat Air Johor at water treatment plant Semanga in Kota Tinggi. So that one for 2 months. Because my degree that time civil in water and environment, my major. So that's why I chose my LI at water treatment plant. I mean, Syarikat Air Johor, okay? And then after MBA, I got job offer at SPAD, Suruhanjaya Pengangkutan Awam Darat. Now no longer called as SPAD, they call APAD under JPT. Okay. Last time my office at KL Central. This one I handle a project BRT and also high speed. Okay. BRT is one of the technology for the transportation that the similar like train system, but they are using buses. So meaning that the bus have their own lane with the station. Okay. This one my project I handle for the federal highway KL to Klang, but I don't know what happened until now. We've been to the parliament, to present this project with that time Timbalan Perdana Menteri was Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin. So we did present and got approved by SPAD present and got approval, but at the end I haven't heard that project. After that I quit, because I pursue my PhD. So only 5 months at SPAD. So I never heard about that project going on. I think there is a political issues. They stopped that project. So I handled during feasibility study for HSRSL, high speed rail project. If you heard about Singapore to China, okay, from Singapore, KL, and they want to make it Thailand until China. But that one also they cancel, already confirmed cancel the project. So we wasting our money, our government money a lot. Okay, all right. So can you guess how young I am? How young I am? Can you guess? Hello?
29.
29, good. Not.
28.
28? Are you sure? Okay, no. My age now actually this year 35. Why I look young?
Yes, it looks young.
Okay, so we do this. All right. So that's all about myself. Do you have any questions? But if you want to know more detail, okay, this is my trademark and safety is everyone's right because I'm a safety officer, so I always bring these words, okay, to everyone's to make sure everyone aware about your safety, okay. And sometimes you will acknowledge my name as Dr. Lina Kiaich because I got my name for my husband, so I didn't make it official yet, okay, until I change all my documentation. So at the moment, just call me Dr. Lina. Okay, you can the QR code to see what is that in the QR code that one. You can see actually about my details, okay, about more details than the slide I presented to you just now. So this one is my website. You can see my activities, my research work, my project, and who I supervise. So if you're interested to pursue your study under safety, then you can look after me. And you can see that I attended a few programs during international program during my study. So that's all about myself. Okay, you can scan and see it. All right. If not, then I go. Any questions? Okay, before we start to the rules. Okay, we have the rules for our class. Okay, can everyone see it?
Yes, madam.
Wait, I try to. Oh, okay. All right. So please be punctual for my class. Don't be late. Okay. And for online class, please get ready with your camera because I will ask you to turn on your camera at any time. Okay. And then everything in the U future, when I say U future, means that your attendance, your assessment, except for your test and your final exam will be physical. Okay. So make sure that you refer the U future for the notes for they have a mocks, okay, mock for this course, the massive online course. So you can check over there what is the content related to this topic. It helps you to understand more about this course. Okay. All right. And then in my class, you should ask the questions, at least 2 before we ended the class. If not, I won't let you guys go. Okay. All right. Then charge your phone if you have or your gadget for our online class, because we will have a full online class. Okay. As a we have 2 hours classes. Okay. And then if you don't have a official email, please create your official email address. Okay, because you now is already final year student. Why I want you to do this? Because soon you will go out and find a job. Okay, so please use this email address, the official one. What I said by official, meaning that put your full name. Okay, you create a full name email address, not the fancy name like not represent yourself. For example, like you say qtmuti@gmail.com, something like that. Okay, don't do that. Okay, so please have your official email address. Okay, and then so if you have to like contact me or submit anything, you can use this official email address, okay, for this course. All right, and then submission document, there is a format for the file, so I will let you know how is the format. And then WhatsApp rule, if you want to text me, please acknowledge yourself first. Okay, where are you from, which group, and then your name. Because I have so many students, so I can't remember who is my student. Okay, and then like I said, I like two-way communication, so please respond when I ask you. Okay, when I asking. All right, so enjoy your face-to-face and also online class. And the last one, I would like to say that, sorry, I didn't make it in the slide. In my class, I prefer for all of you to speak in English, okay? I forgot to include this one. All right. Okay, class, clear about the rules? Okay, these tips for online learning. Since I am a safety officer, so I would like to remind you to make sure that you have a proper space for your online class setting. Okay, make sure it's a bright area, and also you have a proper space. Like make sure your laptop or your gadget is eye level or ergonomic space. And then make sure if you have accessory, please take care of it. Don't what make harmful to your space, and also regular exercise. Okay, if you have a long hours for online course. Okay, all right. So this is our plan for the online course for 40 weeks. Okay, So for the first week, I have supposed to introduce you about the contract administration, but I will brief you next week together with the topic 2, since I want to interact with you more. So during our physical class, I will combine this one to brief you together with the topic 2, which is a contract administration responsibility. And then week 3 is a types of construction contract. Okay, topic 3 have 2 weeks that we will spend. Okay, week 3 and week 4, and then week 5 topic 4 is a monitoring contract, and then week 6 is a topic topic 5 delivery inspection and quality assurance, and we will have week 7 or week 8 for the test 1. So if the schedule is test 1 on the week 8, so we will move topic 6 into the week 7. Okay, so for your test, the topic will be up until topic 4, and the question will be objective. Okay, that's for the test 1. All right, so next is a week 9. We will conduct a collaborative teaching, okay, with the speaker from industry. So we will have 2 speakers, so they will talk about the topic claims and dispute. Okay, clear, class? And then week 10 we have topic 8. What is it? Contract. Sorry. And then I cannot. Wait a moment. Okay, wait. Okay, so topic 8 is a contract termination, and then topic 9 is a contract modifications and change order. And then week 12 is and payment procedure, and week 11 contract closeout and final payment, and week 14 is a lesson revision before our final exam. Okay, so next is about the cost and what happened? Any questions? Any questions, Trust? Okay, so what is the OBE, class? Have you heard about this term?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the OBE? Hurry up.
Outcome-based education.
Outcome-based education. Good. Okay, yes, it's an outcome-based education. So why we want to know about this? What is the OBE? The outcome means that the output. So what we want to do with the OBE? Do you know, class? Hurry up. Yes, it's an outcome-based education. So what is for? What is the purpose? Hello, I'm asking. Hello. Hello, everyone. What is the OBE? Outcome-based education for what?
For our benchmark.
For your benchmark. For your benchmark. Okay, outcome-based education, meaning that, okay, in the course, okay, we want to make sure that what you will get from each courses. Okay, yes, a kind of like a benchmark, meaning that we want to make sure when you finish throughout the program, civil engineering, you must be able to graduate as a engineer. Okay, clear? So why we need this? Because we want to make sure that your program, your civil engineering program is valid and have been accredited by the Board of Engineer Malaysia. So meaning that everything that we do, okay, for your assessment, for our deliverables on teaching and learning, we want to make sure that you understand and you will practice in the industry when you finish your study. Okay, so we want to make sure that you are capable to become as a engineer. Okay, that's why we need to know what is a OBE. Okay, because they are part of the requirement to accredit our program. Okay, so our program have to be evaluated and audit, okay, by the expert from the board. Okay, so this is the method that how we want to mapping. That's why you will see about the program outcome, PO and CO, course outcome. Okay, that is the purpose. And then from this, we want to see you in these three domains, which is your thinking, discussing is under connective, and also teamwork is under effective, and demonstrate your skills under psycho. So like I said, why we implement OBE? First off, we need to be accurate, okay? And then who is the he is the delegate or representative members of the board. Okay. So their role is to what is our program about. Can I be put okay. Ada. Ui, so many of you. Okay, wait. All right, now it's better. Okay. Okay, so we need to be accredited because we want to make sure that your program or your certificate is valid. Okay, so be careful if you have your sibling want to pursue any private university or private college or private institutional. Sometimes the certificate is not valid when you want to apply a job. So our duty is we want to make sure that when you graduate civil engineering from UITM, it is valid. Okay, so that's why we have to set the OBE. Okay, have the system. All right, so if you look at here, we have the overall about the outcome elements in OBE is we have a big picture from mission and vision UITM, and we have the program education objective, which is support our program civil engineering, and we have specific courses, for example, like ECM 578 is considered as a course outcome. Okay, the small one here. Okay, so our course actually support to achieve the program outcome and also program educational objective, and the mission of UITM is to make sure you are able to be employed in the industry. Okay, meaning that you fulfill the industry needs. All right, so this is the overall about PO EC220. So you must be able to demonstrate competency in engineering. Okay, and then you must be practice the ethics and also sustainability. And also you must be able to demonstrate communication and leadership skills. So all these, whatever you complete the course, I believe the assignment, the assessment, and everything is support to achieve this PO. Okay, so how many POs we have, class? Okay, 12. Okay, I believe you heard about this many times every semester. Okay, so we have 12 POs. Okay, so this is a short form that you can really understand what is the POs that you must have in yourself in order for you to graduate as a engineer. Okay, so first you must have the engineering knowledge. Okay, problem solving analysis, design, experiment, technical competency, and then you must have engineers and society, environment sustainability, ethics, individual teamwork, communication, okay, project management, and also lifelong learning. So at the end of the day, once you finish your program, okay, I believe that you are capable to become as an engineer. So all the POs that in 12 POs, actually we are categorized into three domain. Like I said, we want to see your fundamental, okay, your knowledge under cognitive, and then we want to see your skills under psychomotor PO4, and then we want to see how you work to in a team, okay, together with the other members. We want to see your effectiveness, effective, sorry, okay, that involve the ethics as well, okay. Okay. This one is what is assessment tool that we can check the domain. So these are the example. Okay. And this is how we map in the overall program civil engineering. So if you see someone to up until SEM 8, okay, you will see there is a few course cover a few POs. Okay, one you complete, actually you already cover the all POs. Okay, the 12 POs. So you can check your MyCopo under the system. So you can see where are you now? What is your skill? Okay, so you can see the average of your level. So you will see if you are more higher at the PO4, meaning you are good in a skill experiments. Okay, this is what that mean. Okay, if you are good in a PO10, meaning your communication skill is quite good. Okay, so you can check. This one is based on your result. Okay, so this is a system that you can access the MyCopo. All right. All right, so I want to highlight again our contract administration is a ECM 578 in during semester 7, and then they have 2 credit hours and the lecture also 2 hours per week. Okay, so if you see the picture here, there is 3 documents, types of document. What is the document? It's a contract document. So if you look at here, FIDIC means for the international project. So they are using this contract document reference. Okay, and then the private project, they use IEM contract document, and if the government project, they use JKR what contract document. Okay, so our course outcome for this ECM 578, okay, we have 3. Okay, which is you must be able to describe the principle and concept of contract administration in civil engineering. Okay, the parties involved and types of contract. And then CO2, you must be able to analyze performance deficiency and corrective action in relation to delivery, inspection and quality assurance. And also CO3, you must be able to explain issues relating to contract claims, dispute modification and change order termination, payment procedure and contract closeout. Meaning that if you look at overall, the course outcome actually is already shows in the whole topic for our 14 weeks planning, if you remember. Okay, so these are our course outcome and support with the POs. Okay, we have 2 POs that have been highlighted for this course is the problem analysis, how you want to solve for the contract administration. Okay, and also development of solution, how you want to tackle the issues related with this contract administration in our construction industry. Okay, so 2 POs. All right, so we go for the last part. It's a course evaluation, okay, for the assessment that you have to do. Okay, so actually we have before COVID and also during COVID, okay, the different assessments. So now we are after COVID, okay, like endemic. So which assessment that we are refer? Class, which one?
Before COVID.
Yeah, the same back to the before COVID because we back to normal. So your assessment will be group project 10%, test 30%, and final exam 60%. Okay, remember. So these are your assessment. Okay, we are no longer use this assessment allocation because we are now physical back to normal. Okay, so this is our assessment. Okay. So for the group project, I will brief you on the 3rd week if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and that one we prefer you to have 5 members in one group. Okay, So please pay attention on this assessment. And test one, like I said, is our objective, and final exam is 60% for 3 hours. Okay. All right. So this one, so final exam will be subjective. Okay, so these are the references that you can refer related to the contract administration topic. Okay, so you may have other references as well, as long as related to our course. Okay, so there is a quizzes, but this quizzes is not related to our course. Is just like a employability skill, but I don't think I want to make it online. If we have time during physical, we will make it physical next week. Okay, but it's not about related to the topic. So that's all. Thank you. So can we open for Q&A? Any questions, class? Hello. Please turn on your camera. Can everyone turn on the camera? Wait, why I cannot? Stop share. Okay, all right. So can everyone turn on the camera so that I can screenshot our class today? All right, any questions? Like I said, our rules is at least 2 questions before we ended the class. If no questions, I won't stop the class. So the more faster you ask, the faster we can end. Okay, please turn on the camera. Where's the others? Azima, Zubi, Ain, Nurul Ain, Nur Fatiha, Farah, Shafika, Fidaus. Please turn on your camera. Atika, Lukman, Adriana, Wahidu Zamani, Alisha. Terus ambil telekong. Solat doha terus. Fidaus, Farajiha, Zubi. Any questions? Hurry up. Not any question. 2 questions I would like to ask. Receive from you. Are you okay so far? Understand about the course? Anyone stay at College Anggrek? Huh? Any one of you live at the Anggrek College? Ada ke? Raise your hand. Oh, okay. Siapa ni tadi? Muhammad Darwish. You stay, okay, Arif. You stay at the College Anggrek. So do you know who is the SRK? You don't know because you guys just stay for temporary or what? Huh? Until when? For 1 semester? Okay, I'm a SRK for the College Anggrek. I stay in a College Anggrek. Okay, so if you have any doubt about the course, then you can just see me in my place. Okay, in my place. So you will see me around. So what did you do, Darwish? What is your ada your friend pula kat belakang. Buat blur lah, tak boleh. Cannot make it blur. What is your I heard that the mail. Hello, welcome back. Hello, welcome back. Sorry, my line is suddenly cut. Sorry. It's okay, I saw it. No problem. But the thing is, I want to ask, Arif, what is your apa not position. They said that those who are stay at College Andre is the male one. They have active in the club or what? I don't know. What is that? So you are what? Like Palapes? Is it like that?
Yes, we are involved in courses by your ITM.
What's that?
Courses by your ITM, it is a curriculum under Angkatan Pertahanan Malaysia,
Oh,
or formerly known as JPAM.
Jepam.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So all of you Jepam or there is other what? Other club? Not club. What they call?
We have a few curriculum here with us. We have CISPA, we have SUTSIS, and also brass band.
I don't know all of that. So it's like a co-curriculum activities, is it?
Yes.
So you are AJK, something like that, committee?
Yeah, something like that. But every member of every club, for the CISPA, every member of the club, we all stay here.
Oh, I see. So it's not necessary as a committee, but you as a member also you will stay inside college.
Yes. Yes, correct.
Oh, I see. No wonder we are running out the space, you know. So there is so many students unable to get a college, okay, because there is a full, okay, with other, members from other activities. Okay, any questions, class? Turn on your camera, please. I'm not yet the screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more, please, everyone. Turn on the camera. Question, please get ready with the questions. We want to end by 9, so please ask the questions. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Question, please. If not, I will ask you a question during a physical a lot later on. Now, please ask now. Yesterday class, they are worried when I asking the question. So, please, any questions? Anything? Hurry up. That's the rules. Class, why so quiet? We have 63 students here. Okay, Lukman, questions? Lukman Nasir.
Question.
Yes, any questions?
So far, no, doctor.
If no, also you have to ask the questions.
Oh, personal question can?
Anything.
Yeah. Are you okay, doctor?
Okay, I don't mind. Me, I'm okay. There's
Yes.
there's two simple questions.
I don't know how to ask you. I don't know what type of question I want to ask you.
Any questions? Prepare. Just ask. Anyone, please. Okay, I ask you then. Lukman, when you finish your degree, Bachelor in Civil Engineering, what do you want to be?
A site engineer, inshallah.
Site engineer. Okay, what kind of company do you want to apply?
ONG.
ONG, okay, all right. High dream. Okay, good luck, all the best. Okay, I want to ask, if nobody want to ask a question, then I will ask someone. Fatiha? Fatiha Kamaria? If nobody want to ask me a question, then I ask. Fatiha Kamaria, where are you? Sometimes they online. Ada? Hello?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So since nobody asked me question, so how much is your CGPA last semester? Tak ada soalan, I tanya direct ya. Let them everyone know then. Macam mana? Sekejap Fatihah. I can check don't lie.
Share lah, madam.
Berapa?
3
3 apa?
3 lah. 3.0.
3 exactly.
Yes.
Last semester. So total GPA? Overall?
I don't remember lah, Doctor.
How come you can't remember? We just started new semester. You have to answer. If not, I will not end the class. How much exactly? I can check, but let me know.
Alah, Doctor.
Apa?
Malu.
Malu apa? Cepat. Berapa? 3 point? What? Din list ke?
No.
3 point berapa? You baru jumpa PA kan? Mesti keluar result. Berapa? PA appointment hari ni juga. Cepat. Baru lepas sprint kot. Cepat Fatihah.
CGPA
Yes. CGPA, GPA berapa?
3.09.
Okay. Good. At least 3 point above. Okay. Alright. So, nak I tanya semua orang ke CGPA?
No lah.
Mana soalan? Satu soalan. I ask you to prepare questions. Not only you, I mean the rest. Where's your questions?
Doctor.
Yes.
I have question, Doctor.
Okay, good.
So the final test will be conduct online or face to face?
Physical.
Physical. Okay.
All are physical.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, welcome Syafiza. Tu dah tahu dah saya tanya kan? I dah brief.
Doctor, I want to ask, is this course is easy to pass?
Yes. If you perform, if you do your assessment, of course, easy to pass. To pass easy, to get A, then you have to prepare lah. I don't know, you have to answer correctly. Okay? Okay, easy to pass this subject. No problem. So that's why don't take advantage that you won't come the class or what, okay? All right, so get ready for your briefing for FYP. Okay, so I think after this you have to listen on that part. Okay, I think that's all. See you guys next week, physical on Monday. Okay?
Okay.
All right, bye. Assalamualaikum. Take care, everyone.
Thank you, Doctor.